Hello everyone! Today I thought I would teach you guys how to make Thieves Spray, Thieves Sanitizing Spray, and Thieves Wipes using the Thieves Cleaner, alcohol, and a little bit of water. So we are going to get started first by making regular old Thieves Spray, the kind that it shows you how to make on the back of the Thieves Cleaner. I'm putting mine in a 16-ounce glass spray bottle, and I'm using a scale just to make it that much more accurate. Because this is a 16-ounce container, I added 0.5 ounces of the Thieves Cleaner and then 2 full cups of water. And then you just need to put the cover on it and shake it. Because the recommended dilution is 1:30, that is the perfect ratio. Now, getting started on our Thieves Sanitizing Spray, I went ahead and pre-measured out 2 cups of alcohol into a glass jar just so that I would have it to use to measure going forward for the rest of the stuff. And I'm going to be using little 2-ounce bottles for the sanitizers so that I can gift them out to people. And then into the 1/2 cup of alcohol, I added pre-measured 1.5 cups of diluted Thieves solution. And then I just went ahead and poured using my Pyrex measuring cup into the little glass bottles. I ended up with enough to do 9 of them. And then you just screw on the cap, shake them up, and you're ready to go. And the last thing I wanted to teach you guys to make is a hot commodity right now. People want cleaning wipes and they're really hard to come by. I'm making mine using coffee filters, which are not as hot of a commodity as paper towels. So I just went ahead and separated 50 of them and then folded them in half, and I have them sitting in a little pile. And with this, I'm going to go ahead and measure out that Thieves solution for that dilution ratio that I showed you guys at the beginning. And this time I'm going to do half solution, half alcohol. So this one's a little bit different because you want more alcohol in a wipe than you would use on a sanitizer because they're not for your hands, they're for surfaces. And then once I have everything measured out, I just pour it back into the Pyrex measuring jar because it's so much easier to pour from that. So I soak the inside of the core of it, and then I wrap it into a very loose cylinder, and I dunk the base into that solution just to make sure it's soaked all the way through before I add it into the jar. And then I pull a little bit up to make sure they're easy to grab, and I soak it a little more than is necessary so that they stay damp while they're stored. At that point, you just want to pop it down to make room and screw on the lid. I do want to stress using glass to store these just because Thieves has lemon oil in them and lemon does not do well with plastic. And when you wrap it, just make sure to wrap it really, really loosely so that you can pull them out easily. So that's it, guys. That concludes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I hope it helps. Bye!